Good news, Chicagoland! Deljo Heating and Cooling is hiring. We're looking to fill several positions on the Deljo team: installation experts, service experts, warehouse assistants, and more. We want candidates who will provide excellent service to the residential market. Whether you're fresh out of school or you're an experienced HVAC professional, consider joining the top quality team at Deljo. We offer on-the-job training, including virtual reality simulation training, a supportive team environment, and a clear path to achieve job satisfaction and success. Interested? Here's what we look for in our team members: a strong desire to learn, a willingness to be coached, and ready to put in your best effort every day. Above all, we're looking for outstanding people who live the Deljo core values: great character and integrity, hungry to succeed and thrive. Our team is like family. Do whatever it takes. Humility, no jerks. Apply today at deljoheating.com/careers. Join the Deljo team, the best in Chicagoland. That's the Deljo difference.